but I'll be on it always, always and forever.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chi here, and today we are on the vlog because we have to pack for Italy. And I just wanted to, do the preparation video. I actually wanted to film this video yesterday, but I had like a huge headache, so we're doing it today. I'm gonna show you guys what clothes I bought and everything that I put inside in this bag. Yeah, let's see. I got these slippers from H&M. They were in sale for like €6. I need them for the beach, so I'm gonna pack them inside. I don't know if I should put them inside already because I still need to put my shoes, and I actually have to put my clothes. Okay, no, we're gonna do like this. I'm gonna keep the slippers away for when I pack my shoes. I'll also put them in here inside, but for now we're gonna start with my swim short. I have my swimsuit. It's like mini cute top and cute bottoms. I'm gonna put it this side because this side is where all the hygiene stuff and swimming stuff goes into. So I actually have high expectations. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's my first time to Italy. So it's like, okay, I hope I don't like experience all this bad stuff people keep talking about. Because like there are many people that said like, yeah, Italy, it's like a place where people are racist. But I don't know. I just hope it's not that, I hope I have that experience that I can, go around and tell people like I wish I could go to Italy again, So yeah, we have our swim stuff like this. And what is the next thing? I bought this mini shorts for my beautiful skirt and for any dress that I'm going to wear. So I'm gonna skip this part. I'm gonna put it also there inside that I can easily find it and not like go deep down. Here you go. Actually, I was supposed to pack my clothes a long time ago, but I was way too lazy to start, so now I'm doing it, which is stupid. Very, very stupid. Where am I? This skirt is so gorgeous, y'all. It's giving tropical vibes. I was so happy when I found this skirt. I wanted to order it, but there was no time, so I'm happy that I found it. It's giving, the artist Tyler vibes. Make me sweet. I very much like it. It's very much giving I'm here for my vacation. We're gonna put it here inside. I think I'm gonna put all my skirts in one place that I can find them. Another skirt. Okay, that white skirt is from CNA. Okay, as I was saying, my phone just crashed. Storage. This skirt is from Pull&Bear. I got it for like €3. I don't know why. It said €9 and they like removed. I don't know. Wait. They removed like. They removed €6. Guys, it's been a very long time since I had math. Okay, don't come at me. Now, I ordered this jorts. It's very nice. I like jorts, so I'm gonna keep it next to the skirt. This is a gem. This is wonderful. I'm so happy that I got this. This from New Yorker, a long skirt. I'm actually even ready. Wait. Okay, oops. So I always wanted to have a long skirt, so I'm very happy that I found one. Let's put it inside here next to the skirts. My gray jorts that I also got from Pull&Bear. Like I got it a long time ago when I had my internship. So I'm also taking them with me because they were hella expensive, and they're also nice. So oh my god, I do need to bring out my t-shirts. I have t-shirts, but it's like I don't have many t-shirts, so that makes me sad. What the heck? What is this? Oh, this is a long, it's a thin, how do you call them? I think flare trousers? I don't know, but it was also on sale, CNA, only for €8. I like it, and I think I'm gonna wear it on my first day when I go. Because I don't know what to wear. Like, I know the weather is going to be hot there, but here it's very cold when we drive in the morning. I don't know. Are we driving in the morning? Morning on the... I still have to check. Okay, I'm going to put it where I'm going to put my jeans. Of course, I'm going to take some jeans because even though it's going to be hot, still, I don't want to keep wearing trousers. I have this beautiful white top that I got from Sarah. It's so cute. I'm gonna wear it with my skirt, so I'm going to cry. My phone keeps crashing down because of storage. Anyways, as I was saying, I don't remember what I was saying. I'm gonna put my jeans there. I got this beautiful dress by H&M. It was also in the sale place stock. I don't know. Where am I gonna put? I'm gonna put it next to the skirt place because I also have some clothes that I still have in the washing machine. So I'm still going to get them. New pair of socks because obviously I'm gonna keep them there. My nightwear. I got like, I don't know. Okay, this is a little messy because what is going on? Okay. The shirt. And I think the pants to it is either this or this. It's pink and white, so I'm guessing it's this one, so that's one. I have two. No, anyways. First sleeping coat. I'm gonna put it here where the other night thingy goes in. This is my second, but I don't have a top to it. Never mind, the top is here. I have a feeling it's too hot for this. I'm gonna put a tank top inside just for safety. Like, if it's too hot, then I'm gonna remove the shirt and wear the tank top. But I'm also scared because of the mosquitoes. I don't want to get mosquitoes bites because I had enough of them last year. So I'm not dealing with them this year. Okay, so this is done. My other clothes are still in the washing, so I don't know. The only thing that I hear is like my bra and there's only one t-shirt, and we got like the slippers, so oh my gosh, we got like the slippers, so I don't know where exactly I should put them. The position of the camera, like, do I put them inside now? Okay, I'm gonna put it inside, and the only thing that is missing is like my skincare stuff, my makeup, and more clothes, and I guess that's it. Tomorrow I'm doing my hair. Well, technically my mom is doing my hair, and then I still have to buy some snacks. I have to prepare my bag too, so for now it's okay. I thought this video was going to be a little bit longer, but I guess my storage says no. But don't worry guys, I'm gonna be having enough storage to vlog for Italy. I'm hoping you guys get like 4 videos because I want to separate them. Gonna be like from there for like 10 days, so I was thinking, yeah, okay, from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 1 video, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the second video, Thursday, Friday, No, there's no way 4 videos can. We're staying there for 10 Okay, wait. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 1 video. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 2nd video. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then only 3 videos. Oh my god, me and math. Anyways, yeah, I guess that's the end of this video. Why is my phone positioned so bad? Yeah, I guess that's all. Unless you guys wanna never mind, I can show you guys my skincare set. Hold on a minute. Okay, oh my gosh. For this pad, I really don't need to stay on the floor. I just hurt myself. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we have this beautiful baby here. This beautiful set. Got it for like 5 euros. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm taking with me. First off, we have this beauty cosmetic headband. Definitely going to be using that if I want to wash my face. Then second, we have our body spray. The body spray is actually wonderful. It smells nice and it makes your skin glow. Can you guys see that? Not sponsoring or anything, but it's actually beautiful and nice. Then we have our makeup remover tissue. Well, it's like for your face, you know. Our Bambi mask. Is that Bambi? I don't know. I can't remember the name. Then we have our ordinary serum. This is the best serum that you could ever have. It's one of those serums that are good for the skin. Then we have the ordinary toner, which is also nice. It's actually helped my skin a lot, but the smaller version because I was broke. Then we have our pads to clean our face. I think it's already open because I used it. Then we have our facial cleanser. Anyways, how do you call it in the English? Because I'm calling it CeraVe. I don't know, but I just know it's very good. I used it like 1 time and I felt refreshed. My skin was definitely smooth and I did not have any breakouts. So if you need a cleanser, this one is the best. And I also bought a new perfume for me and my sister. It's the Celine perfume. This is like the closest thing to vanilla perfume that you can get in a druggery store. So I got it because I love the smell of vanilla. I'm a vanilla girl. If you know me, I would always order the same ice cream cone vanilla every single time. I don't know why. I just got used to it, like from the time of being a small little kid, you know. Also, I thought this video was gonna be longer, not gonna lie. It's just that my other clothes are not prepared yet, so I can't show you guys everything. I just wanted to let you guys know that the preparations for Italy are going well. Oh, this is the kind of water bottle that we bought. This is my sister's own, but I have the same one, only in blue. It's very good because my last water bottle got lost. So anyways, I guess that's the end of this video. Let me close this bad boy up. What the anyways, as I was saying, that's the end of this video. I love this so much. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells if you're new. And to my old fans, my friends, for tuning up, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is which is going to be the trip to Italy. Yeah, bye bye.
But I'll be on it all